Here's the right way to use ChatGPT for writing email sequences and turning subscribers into customers. I am writing a sequence of 5 emails for my vegan dessert brand called Vegan Delicious. The sequence is triggered after someone signs up for our mailing list. The object of the sequence is to turn subscribers into customers. We are a small team with an engaged customer base. Our tone is always friendly and informal with lots of humour and puns. I want you to help me draft the first email. It should introduce our brand to the subscriber and not be salesy. Please ask me questions about my business before we begin. Now ChatGPT will ask you some questions to better understand your business, which we go ahead and answer. And here's ChatGPT's first attempt. It's actually pretty good. There are some great puns in there, like we're very excited that you've joined our Vegan Delicious family. But the second and third paragraphs aren't really doing it for me, so we're going to ask ChatGPT to try again and be more creative. ChatGPT's second try has almost completely nailed it. Having it ask us questions about our brand and giving it some more background information is essential to get these kind of outputs. And of course we can ask it to rewrite paragraphs, we can ask it to write different subject lines until you're happy with the results. We can repeat this process for all 5 emails in the sequence and you will save hours and hours in time. For more tips and to get access to our ChatGPT toolkit, just go ahead and check out our profile.